السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Welcome to part 6 of our Arabic learning series. Today we'll explore 30 essential classroom and stationery items in Arabic. I'll say the English word followed by its Arabic name in transliteration. Feel free to pause and repeat after me. Our first word is pencil. In Arabic, it's called
قلم رصاص.
Next up is sharpener. In Arabic, it's mibrat. Now we have clock. In Arabic, it's
ساعة.
moving on to highlighter. In Arabic, it's
قلم تظليل.
here comes notebook. In Arabic, it's daftar. Next is magnifying glass. In Arabic, it's a.
عدسة مكبرة.
The next item is paper. In Arabic, it's.
ورقة.
Let's look at calculator. In Arabic, it's.
آلة حساب.
Up next is map. In Arabic, it's.
خريطة.
We then have ruler. In Arabic, it's.
مسطرة.
Coming up is paint. In Arabic, it's.
ألوان.
Here's eraser. In Arabic, it's.
ممحك.
Next is globe. In Arabic, it's.
كرة أرضية.
Our next word is book. In Arabic, it's kitab. Now we have paint brushes. In Arabic, they're.
فرش الرسم.
Moving on to crayons. In Arabic, they're.
أقلام شمعية.
Here's box. In Arabic, it's.
صندوق.
Next comes bottle. In Arabic, it's.
قنينة.
Now we have scissor. In Arabic, it is.
مقص.
Let's look at computer. In Arabic, it's.
حاسوب.
Here's ballpoint pen. In Arabic, it's.
قلم جاف.
Next is glue. In Arabic, it is.
صمع.
Next up is backpack. In Arabic, it's.
حقيبة ظهر.
Now comes pencil case. In Arabic, it's.
مقلمة.
Moving on to board. In Arabic, it's.
سبورة.
Here's cupboard. In Arabic, it's.
خزانة.
Now comes door. In Arabic, it's bab. Next word is bookcase. In Arabic, it's.
خزانة كتب.
Now we have window. In Arabic, it's.
نافذة.
Our next item is desk. In Arabic, it's maktab. Finally, we have chair. In Arabic, it's.
كرسي.
Wonderful work. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. Practice these words and stay tuned for part 7. Goodbye.